Alright guys, welcome to this JuicyAds tutorial about how to leverage the marketplace in JuicyAds. There's multiple placements on this platform. It's an adult platform for advertising, and they have banners. They have placements for pop-under traffic and placements for native ads. So we're going to look through this. Basically, the whole goal here is to leverage this site to basically find opportunities to advertise on different placements that can potentially work for you for affiliate marketing or selling digital products or growing an OnlyFans or whatever you want to do. So this site for sure can make you money. You just have to really know how to spot opportunities. So when you look through this, you could sort based off the cost per click, how many clicks they're getting per day, which I think definitely matters, because if you're only bidding and wasting time on something that gets 70 clicks a day, that's not very good. So let's sort by that. They only get so many clicks per day that are happening. These are kind of niche sites on this platform in a way, but niche clicks can lead to niche conversions. And so it's really about picking offers or making offers for these specific sites that will work. You can sell content as digital products, or you can do affiliate marketing that's niche specific to various sites that are similar within that niche. And so you just go through here, you pick those, and that can work. That's definitely what I recommend there for this. But another thing is leveraging the power or effectiveness of free traffic. And this is obviously dirt cheap for sure. And you can make profits from this at scale just by finding opportunities to advertise on long term. And this site's good for that for sure. It's self-serve, they approve campaigns, and then you're up and running. Now, there are sites where you could basically upload tons of content to. And this is what I'm doing. I've got one account that's been in momentum for a while now at I'm not going to say how much, but it's a lot of money per day. And then a new one I'm starting up that's at $100 a day, and it's going to scale way further than that. It doesn't even have much content out there marketing it. That's the thing. As you can see, adult gets extreme views easily and a lot of clicks very easily. Now, if you're just making your own site, it's going to get less clicks. But if you leverage sites that have billions of impressions per day, you're getting tons of clicks and impressions per day for free. And you could send that to sell content or do affiliate marketing. But the most effective way I've found is quite literally nowadays selling content. You can crush it, just make easy sales all day. You just have to understand persuasion triggers that make people buy, and then understand how to market effectively and get a lot of views and clicks every single day. That adds up. You're leveraging multiple sites, you're distributing content at scale, and it just becomes passive income. Now, this is great for finding opportunities to advertise. You can even find opportunities to advertise if you do something niche specific of content you're selling, and then marketing. And usually AI videos is great for this, or AI pictures, but usually videos is best. And you can market with this angle, or you can leverage other sites like ExoClick or Traffic Stars or TrafficJunky. So there you go. Now let's look at another section here. So this section here, this is, lowest price ones. So these are a lot of clicks per day, but super low price points. Now they have different placements you can bid on. So what should we mention here? So you got CPMs, you got the cost per clicks. Now this is really high cost per click, but it's a native square. It's probably a big placement. So don't ignore, even if it has a big cost per click, you got to look at the opportunity and analyze it. But there's a lot of opportunities to advertise with for sure, without a doubt. So it's about identifying them and then, seeing if it's a good opportunity for you to leverage. Now, I really don't recommend bidding on 16 daily clicks type stuff. Okay, it's not worth it. Ads turn off. Ads are great for scaling, and ads are great for making huge campaigns scale big across multiple paid ad platforms for sure, and doing affiliate marketing. But in the adult industry, there's only 1 to 3 huge offers per year, huge mega offers. You got to catch them early, scale big, cash flow. You have to have the cash to basically cash flow fast and scale fast and beat other affiliates. But if you make your own offers and you sell digital products and you're distributing content at scale, this is why I want to make a mini army of affiliates. If I make a mini army of affiliates, I'm getting 10% from everyone, helping them make money, not just affiliates, but a mini army of digital product sales or sellers, where I'm earning 10% of everything that you make per month, and I help you. It's done with you. It's a group. It's a mini army working together. Everyone's on the right page. I train everyone what to do. You have to be onboarded as a client too, but it's a group of clients. That's the goal. And it's just an extra income stream on top of everything else I'm doing. And this method works. It's actually easier than paid ads. Paid ads is only easy if you're already in momentum with free traffic. So my top clients I've ever had, they are already in momentum with free traffic, whether it's with mainstream platforms, etc. And they want to scale with adult traffic. if we're talking adult industry stuff. It can also work with just about any mainstream type of business, anything. As long as you're already in momentum at like $5,000 a month or more, then I can easily help you scale paid ads more or way more. So it's crazy. But building a mini army of digital product sellers who are leveraging free content and distribution with adult, you could crush it. And so if I bring on a bunch of people doing that, like 100 people, that's hard to manage, but as we build a group, we could do that. It prints every day. It prints every single day. It works. And yeah, I don't know what else to say. Like, you could be at $100 a day plus very quickly within like a week or 2 weeks. It depends on your work ethic and how much content you get out there. And it's very easy to do. It's not hard to do. That's why I'm recommending it right now so much, because it's easier than teaching people YouTube, plus YouTube's saturated with teaching people YouTube. Plus, this is a underground opportunity no one talks about. It's endless traffic. It's a endless recurring traffic base of endless people constantly on these sites. And it's so cheap and it's so abundant, and you can get easy clicks and convert these clicks into money when you know what you're doing. And that's what I share with people. Okay, that's what I share with clients. So leveraging free traffic with adult is where it's at. So if you're interested, you can contact me. You can schedule a call with me or a team member. So it's crazy. So I highly recommend you do that if you want to make some money, or serious money. So here's this. This is recommendations, popular choices. There you go. You can get recommendations on JuicyAds and stuff. So that's great. Then right here, this is the newest section or whatever, whenever they have new like sites you can advertise on and stuff like that. So that's great. Featured. So these ones can be good. There's a lot of ratings on that one. They have specific price points. I mean, sometimes it's totally sold out. Like, boom, sold out all the way. So good luck. You can outbid them if you want. You can contact the site owner and see if you can outbid them. But yeah. So it's really just about spotting in the marketplace where some opportunities are and brainstorm, okay, here's an opportunity to advertise right here. What can I advertise on this specific site? Then you brainstorm and you're like, okay, this might work. So then you place your bid and then you see if you can make a profit. That's the whole game here. That's how to do juicy ads for sure. If you want to arbitrage traffic with pop under, let me know if you want that video and tutorial on how to do that, because that's something I do. It's called the golden ticket method. You basically leverage pop under traffic mainly with propeller ads, but you can do it with adult traffic sources too. Then you have a landing page that redirects in between that can profit double redirects. It's a secret code I have for that I programmed and stuff. And then you send them to high CPM YouTube videos and you can print money. So it's crazy. And if you already have a monetized channel, that's best, okay, for that method. Now, so if you're interested in that, you can schedule a call with me and learn what that is. So this is all an extra income stream. I'm just teaching you guys what I'm doing here. Found this tutorial valuable? There you go. Thank you so much, and peace.